Planning to buy a home and want to estimate your monthly mortgage payments. Windows Calculator includes a built-in mortgage calculator that helps you estimate monthly payments, total interest, and the overall cost of a home loan. In this guide, I'll show you how to calculate mortgage payments with Windows Calculator in 2026. First, click the Start menu, search for Calculator, and open the app. Once it launches, open the navigation menu to access the financial calculation tools. From the navigation menu, scroll to the Calculator section and choose Mortgage. This tool is designed to estimate loan payments using common mortgage information. Enter the home's purchase price or loan amount, the annual interest rate, the loan term in years, and any required down payment if the calculator provides that option. Make sure the information matches your loan estimate for the most accurate results. After entering your information, Windows Calculator automatically estimates your monthly mortgage payment. You may also see the total amount paid over the life of the loan and the total interest you'll pay. Try changing the interest rate, loan term, or down payment to compare different financing options. Even small changes can significantly affect your monthly payment and the total interest over time. Use these estimates when comparing homes, planning your monthly budget, or discussing financing options with a lender. Remember that actual mortgage payments may also include property taxes, insurance, homeowner association fees, and other costs depending on your loan. And that's how to calculate mortgage payments with Windows Calculator in 2026. Whether you're buying your first home or comparing different loan options, the built-in mortgage calculator makes it easy to estimate your monthly payments in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.